So if you own a timeshare or a hotel or bed and breakfast, most likely your unit already has a hotel license that they've applied with the city county for. If your city does require a permit or a license for short-term rentals, a lot of areas do not. So I'm just going to show you a video with a listing that requires it and also does not require it. That way you can see if your county or your area requires it. So what you're going to do, depending on what country you're in, you might see .ca or, because I'm in Canada at the moment, or .com if you're in America, .com.au. But what you're going to do is you're going to go to airbnb.com/hosting/listings and press enter. Okay, this is going to bring up all the listings that you have. Once you get to the listing that you want, make sure you hover over the text part of the listing. I'm using a Chrome browser for my computer right now. You can also select this or that, but I prefer this edit view for this video. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in your listing, you can go to policies and rules, scroll down, and look at laws and regulations. Now, this particular area does not require a short-term permit, so the registration is not showing. So it would not show here. But let's go to another area. For example, Santa Fe in Mexico just started requiring a short-term permit. They didn't when I was listing before. So same thing, I find my listing. I click on policies and rules. What I'm going to do here is scroll down to where it says regulations, which will be at the bottom. So policies and rules, regulations. Click on the edit here. And then you'll see a registration part here where you can claim your tax exemption. I've already done mine, so that's why there's a check mark. But pretty much you'll click on it and then you'll be brought up with this screen. Okay, it will say you host a hotel or motel or a bed and breakfast. It'll confirm the address. You're just going to click that to certify and then press the next button, and then you'll complete your tax short permit exemption.